Today, as we unveil the bronze, our thoughts must go to the four brave sisters who began with $73.75, and to all the dear sisters and fellow graduates who are not with us. But we must also think about Sister Margaret de Youville, or Mother Margaret de Youville, foundress of the Grey Nuns Order in the mid-1700s. Mother de Youville was declared the Mother of Universal Charity by Pope John XXIII. Her teachings are still a foundation for the Sisters of Charity's work, which continues today throughout Alberta and across Canada. Calgary work is still carried on by the Youville Recovery Residence for Women, which was founded by Sister Rita Colomb, who was the last chairman of the Holy Cross before it changed hands. The teachings of the sisters are still carried out by the graduates from the Holy Cross, who continue to practice care and compassion for all in their care. Thank you for joining us today and to help us celebrate the unveiling. The second phase of our project will be done in early 2012, where this will be made into a park-like setting so the ladies will be very comfortable here. It's now my pleasure to introduce the ladies who are going to actually cut the ribbon for the bronze. Sister Germaine Hetu, who's a graduate from the Holy Cross Hospital, and she is representing the Grey Nuns today. Eilene Walshaw, who is a graduate of 1929, she graduated the year this building was built. And our dear Ada Griffiths, who's a graduate from 1944, and she's a very devoted alumni member. She's going to help with this as well. Thank you very much, and thank you for coming. Here we are.
Down on the bottom, where it says Nightingales there, they put a time
They were nice, eh? Beautiful.
I sealed it up the night, Thursday night, and finally Friday.
Aren't they beautiful?
Aren't they beautiful?
I'd like to invite Bishop Henry to come forward to offer a blessing to our ladies.